Hello, little baby chillins. This is OCD Hi-Fi Guy. Welcome to another episode. Look at what we got here. Oh boy, what am I getting myself into? Check these out. These are Magnepan Tympani. Okay, look, we're in the squirrel nest, by the way. This is the squirrel nest up here. I sock all sorts of stuff away. Okay, so check these out. Well, let's see how we can see them best. This is a Magnepan Tympani. What version is it? Where does it say Tympani? There it is. 1D, it looks like. I bought these things locally for 75 bucks. Okay, and they're 3 panels a piece, right? Okay, so these are old, obviously. Look at that, man. It's like cabinet hardware. And look at these little feet like the school desks that I used to hate. Yeah, man. Okay, so we're going to get rid of all this. Well, I don't know, it's like, what do you think? Should I redo it in like original form, which would be kind of cool? I don't know. I don't think so. That preserve the integrity of the design. What design? School desk feet? I don't know. And maybe we should do something crazy with it. I think that's more up my alley. But anyways, okay, so I'm going to have to go through these things, and I'll invite you guys along when I get to it. But we're going to have to, tear them open and check the panels out and find out where they're messed up and get them all fixed up and sounding beautiful. And look, there's 3 panels, and they're like those Chinese, what do you call them? Those border, I don't know what you call them. They're like the wall things that sit in the middle of the room. The little, like, I don't know the correct name for them, but it's like a panel wall, a room panel thing that separates things apart, okay? So, you know what? I got a great idea. I am going to make a sound cubicle. That's right. A sound cubicle. I'm going to put these things, I'm going to get them back together, nice and sounding great. Okay, we'll get them all spanky and nice. And then I'm going to make a cubicle where these puppies surround me. And I put a chair in the middle, and I've got walls around me of Magnepan, and I sit in there and stew in my own juices. No, that's kind of gross. I'll stew in the juices of the music in the Maggies. So that would be cool. Maybe it'll be horrible. But, immersive sound field. I like the sound of that. Look at that. Oh, look. We got wire connectors that go in between. Using some beautiful automotive componentry. These things are killer, man. You know what? Open these puppies up. You'll learn how to make Magnepans. I'll bet you. I think these are early on, so it's really cool to see how these things have. They're very similar though. That membrane is really similar. So it's crazy. They've come a long way. It's a really cool speaker. So, anyways, that's what we're doing with the $75 Tympanis. Is we'll fix them back up. It's not going to mess them up. It's just an arrangement. It's just the way they're going to be placed. Is I'll make the sound cubicle and I'll sit in there and check it out. And if it's cool, maybe we'll keep it. And then if not, we'll do something else. But I'll invite you guys along. So we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.